Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete and close Revolut account. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. So let me do that. I'm opening up my Revolut and let me log in first. So it's going to log in. Alright. Okay, so once I've logged in here, so what you're going to do now here is click on your profile here on your top left. Just click on it. Then scroll down. You'll see your account option. Click on account. And then when you get to account here, you will see an option close account. Click on close account. So you have the option here where you can keep your account open or you can close your account. Okay, so you can also like keep your account even though you're not using it. That's fine if you want to. Otherwise, no, you want to delete and close it. So you can click on close account. All right, and then here what happens, so again it's asking for a final confirmation. So once you're sure you want to close it, so you just tap on the close account and that will delete and close your Revolut account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.